Welcome back to another episode of Dabble, where coding meets a sprinkle of comedy. Today, we are diving into the mysterious magical world of extended function arguments in Python. Ooh, sounds complicated, right? Don't worry, I will make it so simple that even your pet goldfish could write Python by the end of this video. Now, I know what you are thinking, extend function arguments, okay? Are we learning coding a black magic? Trust me, it's neither. It's just Python begin its useful over smart self. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's decode this arcs and keywords wizardry in the funniest way possible. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So in today's video of Python, I'm telling you about the extended function and argument syntax in Python in object-oriented programming. Like previously we started a new series in the Python about the object-oriented programming. So let's continue it. Python's extended argument. Now, Python extended argument syntax allows for a flexible function and method parameter definition using like star arcs and star keywords. And I have already told you this in my introduction. These constructs are particularly useful in object-oriented programming. In the short form, it's called OOP. When you're designing a classes with the methods that need to handle an arbitrary number of positional or keyword arguments. There is one example it has given me to demonstrate their use in object-oriented programming, or in the short, it's called the OOP. Now, this one example, so let me copy the example. So let me see the output, what is it giving me. Let me come on my Visual Studio Code and let me create a new window, and then let me create a one file by the name of index.py, or you give the any name to your file, and I'm making this file on my documents. Anyway, you make your file, this is your own choice, create file, and it is saying me index.py already agreed, do you want to replace it? It means like index.py file is already made it, do you want to replace it? If in that file there is not any such type of important work, so please press yes, and if in that file there is very important work, so press no and give the different name to your file. I'm pressing yes. So I'm pasting this code here. First of all, let me show you the code what I have written down. Let me show you this. First of all, we write this type of code, then this type of, then this type of, then this, then this, then this, then this. Okay. First, now let me explain you code. First of all, we initialize a robot object. Okay, first param name of the robot. First of all, we define it here in the 10th line. Number 11th line, we define a param abilities, means we positional argument representing the robot's abilities. And in the 8th line, means in the 12th line of code, we defining a param attribute, means keyword arguments for additional robot properties. Okay, in the 12th line. Now, in the 18th line, we print the details about the robot. Okay, in which line? In the 18th line. Now, in the 32 and 33 line, we first of all in the 32 line we add a new abilities to a robot, and then in the 33 line we define a param new abilities positional arguments for new abilities. Now let's come down, and then in the 40 and 41 line, means in 40 line we update our robot's attributes with a new q value pairs, and in the 38 means in the 41 line we define a param new attribute, means keyword argument for new attributes. Now in the 44 and 45 line, means 44 till 54 line, there is one example usage. Okay, in the 44 till 54 line. Okay, so let me run this code and let's see which type of output it will give you. Save it and run it. So now it is giving me very big output. Robot name alpha bot, abilities lifting welding, attribute speed fast, weight lightweight, adding a new abilities, added the abilities painting analyzing, and then it is giving me updating attributes, updated attribute color blue version 22.0. Then final description, robot name alpha bot, abilities lifting welding and painting and analyzing, then attribute speed fast, weight lightweight, color blue, and version 2.0. So like that, give me this type of output. Or if you want to change the name of the robot, so you will be also be change it. Okay, it is your own choice. If you want to change it, it is depend on you. Okay, not me. Okay, so if you want to change the name, so you will also give the as Rayyan robot. Save it in it. So now here is coming like Rayyan robot. Let me show you where. Here you can see the name is coming on the Rayyan robot. So like that you give the change your name of your robot like that. Okay, so now let's come down. The example showcase how star arcs and star k works enhance flexibility in designing method and classes in Python object oriented programming. So where we define a k works and arc works, here we first of all here we define a arc works, here you can see it, and here we define a k works. Okay, so how you will know this is the arc works and this is the k works. In the arc works there is only one star, and in the k works there is 2 star. Okay, so like that I will be define the k works and a works. Okay, so but anyways, I hope you can share this class if you enjoy. So please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss any future related videos about the Python. And I know this video is smaller, so sorry for that, because in today's video there is not that type of explanation. In this video there is only the code and code, so that's why the video is smaller. But I hope you will be understand about the extended function and argument syntax in Python object oriented programming. And if you do not access my playlist of the Python, so let me tell you how to access it. First of all, go on to the Google Chrome and search here my channel by the name of Rayyan. Okay, like you all know. Then we are very near to 5,000 subscribers, so please complete it. Click on the videos popular, and then click on the playlist. Then click on the Python tutorial playlist. First of all, access the playlist and bookmark it also. And we define up from day 1 till we completed. Let me show you how we completed a video. So let me show you. We completed 1 till, let me say, 1 till 178 videos we have successfully completed, and we are very near to 1,000 views of our playlist, so please complete it also. So but anyways, I meet you in next class, in next very amazing class. So now for today. And that's wrap, folks. I hope you are now a pro at handling extended function arguments in Python. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow coders. And subscribe to the channel for more fun-filled coding adventures. Until next time, keep coding and keep laughing, because that's how we roll at CodeWith at Rayyan.